Market is working really well, but still some fears which are around the corner in entire crypto sphere. So in this video, we will discuss all the aspects which are frightening the BTC and other altcoins. BTC is at 39,317 and Ethereum is at 2,367. Stay tuned with us. So guys, the first news in our list that the Finland looking for the brokers to sell seized bitcoins worth $80 million. Around 1981 bitcoins are there which they basically seized in drug cases. The coins are currently worth nearly 80 million. So if the brokers are going to hold those BTC, then definitely nothing will happen to the market. But if the brokers are going to sell the BTC, definitely the market will go down rapidly. The main aim of the Finnish customs to make sure the cryptocurrencies are sold in a secure way, preventing further money laundering and criminal activities. So this thing will surely take the BTC down. As per my own idea, at the end of this week, the price of BTC will go down up to minimum 34,000 or 35,000. So you must have to go for the sell short. That will be a good thing if you want to make some money via futures trading. So the next news in our list is Malaysia takes the enforcement action against the Binance to advises the investors to withdraw all the investments immediately. So what they said, the securities regulator of Malaysia has taken the enforcement action against the global cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Nothing that the exchange is operating illegally in the country. The regulator has advised those who currently have accounts with Binance to immediately cease the trading through its platforms and to withdraw all their investments immediately. So in the result, basically Mr. Zahu said that we want to be licensed everywhere. From now on, we are going to be a financial institution. He also revealed that the company is looking for a strong compliance background CEO to show the commitment to the compliance, as this is the top priority of this organization, Binance. Earlier this week, Binance also announced that the Binance margin will delist AUD, EUR and GBP, and also they cut off all the major things of the Binance, that is the future trading for the European countries. So definitely this will not hit the market as much, but still it is frightening the entire crypto market and also the traders. So the traders are not going to buy the BTC as much, but still after even this news, it will not take the BTC as much down. But this news, the $80 million, the worth of 80 million bitcoins, if they are going to enter the market, then definitely market will go down at least minimum 3 to 4,000 for the BTC. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.